Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Alfea.
What's up guys? And I'm AJ! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta po ngayon sa aming first ever album showcase. Wow! We hope you enjoyed our first song, yung pinaka-bago.
Para bang hindi ko kayo nakaka-interact online. But anyway, no, I just wanna congratulate you again, and this time in real life. Sige. So, napaka-fresh ng ating mga girlies. But since we've been, talking about lakong pake, so meron ako like mga few questions for sure about you girlies. Paano ba yung naging process nyo behind lakong pake? So, syempre, we all know that you girlies, this time around, kayo talaga nagsulat. So, from writing to recording, hanggang sa pagbuo ng energy nila kung pakaiba talaga. Nakita ko yung MV, di ba? Okay, so speaking of MV, di ba, that amazing MV by our friends from 1032 Lab as well. So palakpakan rin naman muna natin sila,
Sobrang
guys.
sweet.
So how did you like come up from the idea to final ng Lakong Pake?
Well, Lakong Pake kasi started off as a challenge for me by Kuya Chris Box. He gave me 10-minute na binigyan niya ng beat and 10 minutes binigyan niya ako para lang makapagsulat ng hook. And that's how Lakong Pake came about. And when it comes to the meaning, well, with the presence of social media, everyone is freely to like comment and say whatever they want to say with freedom of speech. And parang it's just filtering out the negative thoughts and negative things. And also, hindi lang siya about bashers or people saying negative things about you. It's also about battling your inner thoughts, your negative inner thoughts as well, na napakita sa MV na hindi tayo magpapadala sa kung ano yung negatibo na nasa labas, kundi ang positibo at buting loob na meron tayo. Yeah.
We love that! Palakpakan naman natin si candidate number 1. Candidate number 1. So yeah, since Lakong Pake is a part of your album, the Dissection of Eve, right now, let's talk about the bigger picture this time. So how did you create the whole album? So this time, ano ba yung gusto nating message na makuha ng Bullets compared to the songs na you had before? Like the Dissection of Eve as full body of work.
Iniisip kasi nila na ang isang female alpha is puro lakas lang, puro agresibo, puro forward. Pero hindi nila naiisip saan ba nanggagaling, ano ba yung pinagalingan ng isang female alpha or ng isang alpha. Meron din silang mga pinagdaanan na struggles, mga paghihirap sa buhay, kung kaya sila nabuo at naging ganun kalakas. Isa yan sa naging inspiration namin para mabuo rin yung album.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2.
It's been in the works for a very long time. Gusto lang namin maging honest about our testimony as a group, our experiences going into adulthood, and we just wanted to be honest with the songs and for it to feel like a letter para sa inyo, mga nag-intay, and salamat po sa suporta and tanggap ng mga honesty namin. And like Alfea said, there's different layers to a female alpha, kaya ang tawag ng album ay Dissection of Eve kasi madaming layers ng isang tao, ng isang woman, hindi lang strong, hindi lang sad, hindi lang feminine, but there's a lot of layers, kaya Dissection of Eve.
Oh, I love that answer. Sinong winner? Naging Miss Universe. Yeah, to be honest, it took what? 1,367 days.
Yes.
To be exact.
To be exact, diba? So again, your debut happened, it was back in February 25, tama ba? 25, 2022. And then the album launched November 2020, yun na, nalito na, 2025. And then, syempre, ang dami nating napagdaanan, diba? Marami tayong struggles before we came up na, okay, sige, this time, i-release na natin. Because I also, I wanna ask, kasi parang last year, papapalaban, diba? Papapalaban this year.
Yes,
Pero
8 months
last
ago.
year, parang,
Musika.
Musika. Okay. No, di ba parang last year, meron kayong i-hint yun na yung mga girlies.
Yes, you
Sa
were
ng time na yun. Right? Parang i-hint yun na yung mga girlies sa isang concert.
Oh, that was, yes.
Yeah.
Actually, that was Palaban.
Ayan.
Palaban was actually dapat ma-release last
Yan.
year. Pero dahil nga God's perfect timing, we trust in Him. na-release si Palaban ng perfect time, which is March, which is Women's Month.
And also marami pang nabago sa mismong song.
okay, okay.
So, nadagdagan siya ng rap, mas naging empowering yung song.
Yan. So it wasn't an easy journey. So ang daming
Definitely.
struggles, ang dami na rin nating learnings. Pero I would like to ask this time, like, how were the moments like? Especially nung mga times na kailangan yung kapitan. Like yung mga, kayo magme-members. Siyempre yung mga struggles din natin. Pwede niyong mai-share?
Well, ganun talaga eh. Every time we struggle, palagi lang namin tinatandaan yung isa't isa kung ano yung pangarap namin, ano yung goal namin, ano yung objective namin. And we always have God as a center of our group. That's why we remain patient, we remain patient, and we just trust in Him and trust in the works of God.
And alam mo, Ate Sab, pag may struggle, may kanta.
Yes,
Oh
totoo
my
yan.
gosh! Actually, yun yung next question ko. But how are you feeling, girls? I mean, knowing na ito na yung album natin, it's here. Kinakabahan ba? Mix of emotions? How are you
Sobrang
feeling?
kabado. Super kabado kami. Kasi,
First ever mall show, and also this is our first ever album showcase to promote the album. Kauna-unahang beses namin na nakikita ang mga bullets harap-harapan.
Salamat po sa pagpunta. Ang taray ng mga backdrop. Tas, nandun, ay taray. Oh,
Sorry kayo. Nandiyan na ang G22 sa taas. Ganon.
Literal.
Literal nasa taas pala. No?
Well.
wow.
Wow. Okay. So first is a song that I wrote so long ago. And it went from a song about a bleeding heart to a song that eventually bandages. Naging bandaged heart siya. It's about
Malalaman nila sa
Hindi ako-
pag-release
Don't
na.
worry. Ano, it's about putting someone first kahit ayaw mo. It's about longing for a love na you deserved in the first place. And
Ouch.
if we're gonna be honest, it's about a quiet heartbreak that forms in the wounds made by your parents. But it can also be about wounds made from relationships, people that hurt you, friendships. You keep trying to love, but in the end, it's about maturity, it's about acceptance, it's about growth. So, hindi lang tayo titigil sa bleeding heart. We're gonna bandage that and learn to love even better. Because the most beautiful thing in life is connection, is love. So, don't regret loving anybody. I love you
That's
too!
amazing. That's so beautiful. You're so beautiful.
Si First, tonight, gusto ba ng ating bullets yan? Parang ayaw, no? Sige nga, kaya ka mag-high.
Gusto mo? Yes, grabe.
Alright, so this time, girls, maybe ito na yung right timing para i-perform natin for the very first time ang ating song, The First. So,